I think I did it. I did it, and I can hear myself. Pog, let's go. Yeah, I finally fixed the thing. The things, all of the things were fixed. No more things, no more things. Yeah. It's working. I have functional audio and I can stream. Wow, crazy, right? Crazy. Okay, so today we have a bug to fix. As usual, I didn't prepare my gamepad. As usual. Yeah, we have a bug. The bug is this. When I go in bunny game, make same boy. Look at what happens. Look at the happenings. Look at the thing happening. Why is it so slow? I don't know. Okay, no. It wasn't this. I don't want to hit the foxes. Don't call the animal protection services. By the way, hello Luna, hello, and hello Wallace Lovecraft. Hello, welcome. Welcome. Yeah, I need to change the action on the foxes to be dialogues. Dialogue, yes. The dialogue. The dialoguing. And it's gonna work. Boom. Okay, for some reason this one worked, but I'm sure at some point it didn't work. So like, it gives us an indication. Oh my god. I could kiss the foxes. It's true, it's possible. The fact that it's worked now kind of gives me the indication that it's random. Hello Lane! Hello, Lane is cute, by the way. Did you know Lane is cute? Lane is cute. And now it's fast. I have no idea why. Is a fox. Indeed, Luna is a fox. It is true. A fox girl. Oh my god. Okay, so if it's that... Okay, I have the solution already. The solution. Fox interaction. Open dialogue here. Here I'm modifying VRAM without having waited for VBlank. So if I just VBlank wait. If I just call here, call VBlank wait, then it's gonna work. It's gonna be fixed. I mean, I cannot check that it's gonna be fixed because it doesn't always happen, but it makes sense. At least I can check that it doesn't skip too many frames. Yeah, it's fine. Interesting. Oh, as you can see, the fox here, the last fox, doesn't really like the fact that more foxes on the same scan line. Kind of funny. Also, why did it overflow? I thought I fixed this. I thought I fixed this. What What the? It don't make no sense. How did it happen? Am I done? Also, why F9? What the? What is this? Where is DAA gone? Entity, actions, Fox, turn, I guess? We renamed it Fox turn. And when it attacks, health, oh, does DAA breaks it? Like if I do this, is it fixed? So it's a difference between Gameboy and my emulator again. Something to do with the... What the... What is this? Huh? Huh? Decrease ADAA. Oh, should I do this instead? Does it make sense? DAA sets it to decimal, by the way. No, it doesn't. Does decrease act differently than Sub-Zero 1? As you can see, it did not fix the bug. Okay, this one didn't underflow mode for another reason. Oh no! What the? What was this? I don't know what's happening on this stream. There is a... It's very weird. Is that assembly? It is. It is! Yep. But, underflow is still going? What the? I don't get it. I do not get it. Or DAA also breaks the 00 thingy? So I should do this instead? Health underflow fix like deck A Assassin is hacking amazing coder but refuses to admit it. No, not true. Not true. You're more impressed by the assembly? She was also recruited by something that everyone's known. Oh my god, I'm getting all of the compliments. I don't know how to deal with this. I can't... I don't know. What do I do now? What do I do now? Because it's at the same time, I'm like, wow, it's so cool, I'm getting compliments. True, that is a way. That is the way. What the? Am I dumb? Am I working with a library that does the OS interfacing? If you're talking about Linux as the OS, I am using an emulator, and this is not x86 assembly. This is Z80 assembly. It's made for the Game Boy, so I'm using a Game Boy emulator. If you're talking about the Game Boy itself, the Game Boy doesn't have an OS, and it's kind of an old system that you worked with directly with memory mapped I/O, which is kind of like it's not that hard. It's very simple. It is. I would even argue that this is simpler to do that than do assembly with an OS, because if it kind of depends on what you want to do, obviously, but if I want to I don't have to create buffers and things and allocate memory to just draw something on the screen. I can just set a byte at some point and it's on the screen now. Yeah, it's not exactly Z80. It's a hybrid. It's a proto Z80. But I'm kind of lying in the title, but because everybody, not everybody, but it's more known to say Z80, and I think most people would agree that this is kind of Z80 like. I don't know. Yeah. That's actually cool. Let's go. It's kind of cool. Yeah. I agree with this. I can agree with this. But I'm too dumb. What is the difference between my emulator and is there a difference? Is it in my code or is it on the emulator? Okay, with my code it's still underflows for some reason. But at least the DAA works. But also it shouldn't matter if the DAA works for the What the? I don't know. Decrease A. If there's a carry. Does decrease not set the carry flag? Wait. We're gonna look at the emulator code. Does assassin has a black? Possibly. It's possible. It is likely. I like plushies. Plushies are cute. Decrease 8. It doesn't set the carry flag. Oh. Have I been to Sunshine City? I don't know what Sunshine City is. It doesn't set the oh my god. Okay. I see. So now it's gonna work. The mall with the Pokemon Center in JP? I did not go to this one, but I went to another. I recently got, like recently, it was maybe 2 weeks ago. What is the... I don't remember the name in English. Yeah. Evolution. Cinccino? I got a plushie of this Pokemon. It's so cute. It's so cute. Is it... Cinccino plushie? Plush. It's this one! It is this one, exactly this one. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at the cute. Look at the cute. I got this plushie. You got a Weed Cat sticker? I don't know what a Weed Cat is. Weed Cat? Pokemon? Oh, it's... Oh! Cute. Cute. Very cute. That's cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm getting rich. I'm getting rich. Is it better this way? What the? I mean, we are doing it in VBlank. What could cause this? Also, did I check the underflow? Did I check the underflow? I don't remember. I do not remember. What? Okay, no more underflow. No more. Bye-bye. But for this one, I don't know. I do not know. Going to get breakfast? Let's go get the breakfast. Get the brekkie. Brekkie. Get the noms. All of the noms. The nomage. The nomage. Oh my god, the nomage. Like, what if? What can I do to wait for the next V blank? What if I wait for H blank and then for V blank? Do I have a wait for H blank? Maybe not. Maybe not. 8 blank wait. I do. Okay. So like, and it's a macro, but like, let's imagine. Let's be creative. So we are waiting first for the first line of the frame to be done. It doesn't render right then. Thank you for the follow, AB0110F. Hello, welcome, welcome. How much is this? That's a lot. That's a big number. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, technically it works, so we can say that it's a problem with VBlank. We can be sure of it now. But also, it breaks everything, the palette and all. I don't know. What can I do to fix this? Maybe I can set somewhere a buffer, which I copy during VBlank. But do I have enough time to copy a buffer from... the thinkage. Okay, let's imagine we have enough time. Let's be I don't know, creative. Let's create a buffer for the 3 lines. Or maybe just 2. Or 3? Or 2? Or 3? I don't know. Yeah. Let's create a buffer for the 3 lines, and the buffer will be copied on vBlank if a dialog box is active. I think it's the way to go. Yeah. And thank you for the follow, Necrotech. Thank you, welcome. Welcome to the stream. Welcome. This is the place where you look at things. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Indeed. Indeed. I agree. Do I have a place where I put the buffers? I do not. Until CF, until CB. Oh, I have some space. Very excellent. Yes, yes, very excellent. Of course, of course. We never have bugs, and everything is working all the time. That is the theme. Of course, of course. When do I set the dialogue thingies? Wait, I'm gonna open an A sprite. I'm gonna count the characters. Dialogue design goal. Yeah. Frame, grid setting, 8, and so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 times 3. 18 times 3 in hexadecimal. 36. How much space does that make? C9. 9F. Okay. So we have some space for this one. To put it after this one, I mean. Until like A0 plus. So it would go until D6. Define dialog buffer from CA0 until CA D6, right? Right, indeed. So in main here, before the OAM transfer routine, we call copy dialog buffer. Or just dialog buffer? Copy dialog buffer? What do we do? Also, I'm like one follower away to be a byte of follower. Let's go, it would be so fun. We're gonna overflow at 0. Next followers, you're gonna overflow the thing. Let's go, Pog. We're at FF followers. Bum bum bum. Ba-da-ba-dum. Bum 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 bum. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-bum. Bum bum bum. Okay, I'm karaoke. I don't know. I don't know about it. I do not know about that. Yeah. You dig it? On your. Okay, so you are back. Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. Did you miss karaoke stream? No. No, because I said I'm one follower away to overflow a byte. Next follower can set set the follower count to 0 because of course my follower count is in 8 bits. So technically you could say that it's a milestone. I don't know, but I'm not gonna do a karaoke stream. Nope. HL. I should do a karaoke stream with me, Pog. It was the best. You really missed out. Oh, because karaoke stream. I see. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't know. So I could increase DE, so it's dialog buffer is in DE, and BC we set 18, and then HL. In HL we set Sag onion. In HL we set something. What should I look for? I don't remember. Oh my god. Definition. Where was it? It's entity actions. Yes. Dialogue. Okay. C. So first one is 9DC1. And then call memcopy. Memcopy. Memcopy, yes. We don't need to reset DE, but we need to reset HL to be CDE and BC, call memcopy, and again, yes, this. Freestyle part was great, exactly. I think it would also be a decent idea to... Also, I should import it. How did I call it? Dialogue. I'm not gonna call it dialogue, but QE maybe. Dialogue, instead it's gonna be QE. Dialogue. GBASM QE. QE. And in definitions, we are going to set the display flag. It would be nice to have variables for like the first, second, and third line. Define dialogue first line, dialog buffer. Define dialog second line. CA B2 C4 third line. Okay, in that case, maybe it makes more sense to repeat it. I don't know. Yeah. This is where the like more functions for the macros would be useful. Like I could do this, like for dialog buffer plus dialog buffer plus 18, and it would work better. But also I'm too lazy to do it. I am too lazy to do it. Actions. Wait, entity, action, open dialog, and here instead of this, it would be dialog first line and dialog third line. Does it just work like this? Or did I forget something? It's fast for some reason. I see. A? What is No? Okay. A is X. Oh no. Oh no, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. GUI. Boom, dim, dim. Dum, dum, dim, dim. Boom, dim. Ba-ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum. This is your karaoke. Karaoke. Boom, bim, bim. Bidim. Bidi, bidi, bim. Bidi, 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 bidi. What the? I can see the hello printing in the middle of the screen for some reason. I don't get it. It's kind of weird. Look at this. During one frame, we can see it here. But it's not at the right place. It shouldn't be here. Doesn't make sense. Also, maybe I should not wait for... Oh, I see! Do I see? Maybe I don't see. Maybe I'm blind. It's possible. Okay, at least it doesn't blink anymore. But it still doesn't make sense. Home and copy. Like if I do this. Is it a timing problem again? Nah. It's not. And if I do this. Okay. Oh no, I'm dumb. I got it, I'm dumb. D, E, not C, E. 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 Saving a single return. Yep. It's working now. We did it. E. Exactly, E. What I'm gonna add in the water, the running water for everyone. Yeah, indeed. That's what's gonna happen. Second. Oh, Pog, let's go. That's how it works. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so I fixed the issue. Now, how many cycles did it use? Not many. And it's fine. It's not using that many. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. So I think... wait, main. I think I can also do it conditionally to not use more cycles than we want to use when I'm not displaying the dialogues. Like definitions, dialogue, a mem display flag bit 0 a ret if rediff what? Rediff 0. Yes. So in theory, this one, the first one, should be a bit lower, a bit higher when dialogues are not printed. It's not divided into the same... Hanya? Is it using like 2000 cycles? No more. What the... what? You're late. It's fine. It's fine. You don't like it's not mandatory. You don't have to have a time to come or yeah, no, don't worry. But also do you have a... Oh my god. It's fine. It's fine. You can come when you want. You can go when you want. I can be you can even watch the VOD. It's mandatory for you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So we fixed this. I think... Do I think? It gives my brain the happy chemical. Let's go, let's go. What's in the water? What I put in the water with the happy chemical, indeed. Oh my god. Oh my god. What was I doing? Fixing the dialog text? I think I wanted to add a way to stop... Yeah, I wanted to add a way to stop all of the entity action, update animation step, prepare scrolling map, display entities. All of this, we don't need it. It's not useful. I mean, we don't need it. Sometimes we need it, but like in that case, when we are in the dialogue thing, God no, no request. Oh no, oh no. The dialogue thingies. Brain is not braining. Oh my god, they're gonna exchange hormones. Oh my god. Dialogue thingy. Okay, I don't know. Can we change conversation? Is it possible? Am I? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, just need to skip this. Cool, we can swap. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. People are exchanging hormones in my chest. What is happening? Object interactions check. Add button check. Copy dialog buffer. What is... Wait. Pad button check. Let's go. Even give you my unwanted monthly subscription. Let's go. Let's go. That's how it works. That's how it works. Oh my god. Kinda cool. Kinda cool. Okay, so I can put this before. Enable NYC interrupt here. Then say LD probably map loading thing. Where should I put it? In map loading? Does it make sense? Maybe it doesn't. It doesn't really make sense to have it in display flag, but I could do another thing that is choosing the mode. Like, for example, we could have a menu mode. Yeah, let's do this. Define current mode. It's about 29 degrees where you live. Just want to hunt for a flat sheet to use as a blanket. For a flat sheet to use as a blanket. Pog maybe? Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Or is it a neutral thing? Blanket at 29 degrees. It's kind of... If it's in... Yes, it's in Celsius. It's kind of hot. Why a blanket? Why the blankie? Oh, it's too hot. Oh, I see, I see. I see. Makes sense. Current mode. Enum. Wait, define. Enum mode 00. Wait, mode enum. Map mode. Not map mode. Enum. Oh my god. I don't know. I don't think I'm comfortable. Mode. But yeah, I cannot. You also have mental cry over your GB project because GB studio limitations. Yeah, I don't know. I never tried GB Studio. I want an array like Pokemon does. An array? Can you not have an array? What is your problem? Why doesn't it work? I actually never tried GB Studio, so I might not be able to help. But like, I don't know. Can you not make things in C with GB Studio? Am I wrong? Because I would think that if you can make things in C, you can have at least a fixed size array. What has that in the QA? Never. I don't know. Astatine would not be comfortable. Not astatine. Enum something mode. Enum dungeon mode. We can say dungeon mode. And attack menu mode. Understandable? Yeah. And like we could have, I don't know, map mode or other menus or like the, I don't know, things. We could have multiple modes. It would be very POG. All of the POGs. LDA mem current mode. compare with enum dungeon mode. You're not Z. Display entities. Skip dungeon update. Let's go. Let's go. Ba-da-ba-da-bum bum. Bum ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum bum bum bum. Okay, what did I want to check? I don't even remember. I think I wanted to check if I can just stop the dungeon updates and if it doesn't break anything else. Asset in IRC server when? I mean, I already have a Discord server. I might, like, is it possible to make a bridge, maybe? I kind of would prefer to not use Discord, but also it's kind of practical for calls. I don't know. It would be fun. I don't know. Yeah, why not? Why not? When I take the time to do it, I guess. It's possible. I'm not saying no. Yeah, entities, actions, and open dialogue. Open dialogue. LDA. LD mem thingy mode. Current mode. Help me set up a bouncer? I don't know what a bouncer is. What is a bouncer? Wait, I don't need to do this. I need to do this. LDA enum. Enum attack menu mode. Or just menu mode? Dungeon menu mode? Bouncer is how you get messages history or message while you're unconnected. I'm gone for a minute and you're all talking about something called a bouncer. Yeah. I don't know what it is either. You use Soju and ZNC. I see. So, because message history is not available by default in IRC, that makes sense. I wonder if the Z80C compiler, if it's not really worth it. I'm pretty sure C-Lang does it. No? Not C-Lang. I think I saw it somewhere. Maybe GCC? Wait. But there is, because I think GB Studio yeah, allows you to compile C code. Clang Z80 target. I'm pretty sure it's experiments. So if it's LLVM, can you also, I mean, it makes sense if it's Clang. Like, can you also use Rust with it? Compile a game in Rust for the Game Boy Pog? GB Studio only works with itself, however GBDK, which it's built on, can compile C. I see. I see. I see. Haha. I C++. I Rust. Yeah. LVM to them pro. Over other line. Yeah. GCC Z80. I'm pretty sure I saw it. I saw a Z80 thing. Z80 development tool. It's in Japanese. Oh my god. Partly working GCC compiler for Z80. Why do C to Z80 compiler produce poor code? Oh no. Oh no. Z80 Babel? Yeah, if it's LLVM, it makes sense. Oh no, it's not LLVM. Oh, it's LLVM. Okay. It is LLVM. But I'm pretty sure you would, of course, miss a few different features. Would you? Wait. Maybe not. Maybe the language is okay. But like, at least it would be very different because you would be in a no SCD environment. SDCC? I don't know what SDCC is. SDCC? By using the C backend, we cannot compile most of the LLVM supported language to C. The last step of the chain is to compile C to native Z80 assembly. I see. Small device C compiler. Interesting. Okay. Okay, cool. Maybe you should go back to streaming just so your brain will stay on the task. It's a good way to do it, actually. I think streaming is a really good way to kind of force you to make progress on something you don't like. You technically don't have to make progress because I don't know, because it's a side project or something. Like this, I would never have come this far without streaming, because I would have coded it for 3 days and then maybe once a month. yeah. It really forces you to, at least, like, you cannot just do nothing and watch YouTube if you're streaming. You at least have to look at the code. Sometimes looking at the code is not enough, of course, and it doesn't mean you're productive all the time. But it's a good start. I think it's a good start. Why am I turned? Why is my model turned again? I mean, it's kind of fine, but yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Do I have SDCC, by the way? I do not. Okay. Bunny game. Okay, let's test this. We should not be able to move, but everything should display correctly. What do you mean? Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So maybe remind me, you need to get your laptop's mic fixed because it straight up doesn't work anymore. Yeah. Yeah. RIP. So what I could do is set make so that the mode also make a buffer for the mode. Oh my god. It's so dumb. It's so dumb. But I could also make a thing that changes the mode at the end of a turn. Maybe? Like requested mode and actual mode. I think it makes sense. Requested mode. Oh wait! Wait! I don't need to do this. What if update animation step, entities action, like I just skip the... Like I keep display entities and update animation step and prepare scrolling map if you want. Maybe not. Prepare scrolling map is dumb. Entities actions. Waiting? Waiting what? Waiting. EP fox noise? Let's go to the TPs. Isn't it morning for you? Oh no. Oh no, it's time to wake up. Yeah, it's 8 AM, sorry. Sorry. You can still wait if you want, but nothing's gonna happen. It's past noon, but EB on your the sleep schedule. The sleep schedule needs to be good. It's important. It's 11 PM here? Yeah, 11 PM. Oh, are you yesterday? Is it the 6th for you? It feels so funky since it feels like it's barely morning. Yeah, you're still yesterday, in the past, living in the past. I mean, yeah. And it makes sense with what happened yesterday. Yeah, makes sense. Rip, very rip. Damn, Lane's time sleeping confirmed. Exactly. Okay, so it works. We still display the entities and do the updates, but we just can't control anymore the bunny. It makes sense, right? I think it makes sense. It makes complete sense. My brain is dead. Dead brain. Astatin a Vim user? Yes. NeoVim. Buggies. NeoVim. Is it good or bad? Are you using Emacs? Do you want to have a break? I don't know. I do not know. Maybe it would be good. Maybe it would be good, but I think Brain is not working today. Brain is not working today, but it's fine. I'm not too frustrated about Brain not working. Use NeoVim too, let's go. You want to learn Emacs one of these days? I never tried Emacs. I just know that it's using Lisp as a configuration, which seems cool, but also it seems more difficult. You want a break from life for like a year? Just be myself, don't to worry about monies and cuddles with all the cute girls. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a shared dream for a lot of people. Yeah. I don't think anyone would disagree with your with your thing. I think it's pretty, maybe not universal. I mean, some people like guys, but I think it's pretty common. Yeah. You know enough about Emacs to know that you don't want to use it. Lisp is icky. Lisp is so cool. Lisp is cool. What do you mean it's icky? It's icky. I never tried Emacs, but Lisp, it's kind of cool. It's eloquent, elegant. You hate how it looks, but it's like it's what do you mean? What do you mean it's wrong? Why? Because of the parentheses? It's like it's beautiful. Like it's the simplest thing ever. I have to disagree with this. It looks horribly spaghetti to you? I don't know. I don't have rational arguments too, but like for me, the concept of Lisp is kind of cool. It looks spaghetti. Spaghetti, exactly. With a tomato sauce. Spaghetti is like usually it's like yeah, spaghetti. When we talk about spaghetti code, it's like it means that like everything is everywhere and everything is like it's like if you change one line of code, it has an effect on everything else, and it's super messy. And yeah, it's messy, exactly. Like you it's something. It's a code you hate to read and to modify. It's this makes sense for the most part. You're fine with it. You get used to it. Yes, it's not what I prefer, but I appreciate. You appreciate it if that makes sense. Yeah, I agree. I mean, I don't know if it's. I really like very minimal things, and like Lisp is minimal in a different sense than anything else. It's like the language where you know that you can very easily implement a compiler or an interpreter. It's like it's so cool. It's so cool. Like you don't have syntax. It's like you call functions, and that's all. The only syntax is the parentheses and parameters. It's kind of wow. I don't know. Also, I think there's macro. I think I'm dumb, but I never tried macros, so maybe I'm dumb. Macros in Lisp. I just know the basics of like yeah. Lisp functional, cool. Yeah. Macros. Right. I think one of the features of Lisp is how you can modify the language itself, but also I never went so far that you can that I tried this, so I don't know. I just think that it's kind of like when I don't know, I kind of like the concept. Concept is cool. What is a beautiful language for you? What do you think is beautiful? Can we have a favorite language debate in the chat? After Vim or Emacs, now favorite language. Let's go. Let's go. Rusty asked it. Am I a language? I see. So very like C-based language in Rust. I mean, Rust is kind of C-based, but C-based plus. It's not C++, but it's the better C++. I don't know. But yeah. And am I C-based? Oh my god. I'm being so wrist. Oh my. Yeah. I agree that Rust is cool. You know nothing, so you stay out of it. I see. I agree that Rust is kind of cool. I think I'm also... I don't think I did very much anything outside of the C-based language. I don't know if JavaScript is a C-based language. I did kind of a lot of JavaScript, and like it's bad. It's bad language. But I would think it's like the mass version of like a C-based language where they try to add everything in it. Like, I don't know. It's like Ruby, but worse. I don't know. That's my opinion, by the way. And TypeScript is I would not make things in pure JavaScript. In terms of visual appeal, you feel like Rust, Python, and C. I kind of agree, yeah. And Python is cool until it's not, but visually it's kind of cool. Someone is writing some assembly? Yeah, at the moment I'm yapping. I'm taking a pause. A little pause. JavaScript has some niceties like project dependencies, but everything else is like evil. I think JavaScript has the second worst dependency management after Python. And I would fight for this. I mean, NPM is dumb, but like JavaScript is. Is it the problem with dependency management, or is it the problem with libraries using a thousand millions billions dependency for a two-line project? It might be a cultural problem. A lot of new people. Hello, Carolis. Hello, Norrister, and hello, Gurey Toro. Python looks cool. Well, first I'm gonna go with my opinion on TypeScript. TypeScript, I don't think I would make anything complex in JavaScript without TypeScript, but also TypeScript is dumb because it's a linter, and you can, like, when you set types, it's not actual types, it's just like you tell your editor that it's this type. It's more like documentation than like automated documentation than actual types, and it's dumb, and it creates some weird bugs. Very nonsensical bugs. I don't know. Yeah. So I kind of hate TypeScript, but also like JavaScript by itself is kind of unusable when it becomes large. So I don't know. JavaScript is bad. Still, the whole internet runs on it. Yeah. You won't argue JavaScript as some cursing. Yes, exactly. Never looked at language that way and just realized that you don't think you could call any language, beautiful. The closest I would be Forth and Lisp, like, but no other language in particular. No language in particular. Yeah. I agree. Forth. I didn't do a lot of Forth, but I know the basic concept, and it's like a stack-based language, and it's kind of cool. But also, I never tried it, and I don't know how you would not lose your stack all the time. It looks kind of difficult. You don't like looking at either JS or Python? Yeah, I think it's like you get used to it, but I don't know. I feel like small Python code is kind of cool. Big Python code is crazy. Like, when you start to need dependency, Python becomes the worst thing ever. JavaScript has the issue of everything is dependent, so you have libs that fixes it, then the language actually fixes a thing that people never actually drop. Yeah, exactly. Like, you have so many features that are now in the language, and like people still use like 500, maybe not 500, like Yeah, 500 kilobytes libs for this is so dumb. In terms of elegance of higher language implementation rather than a low level, Rust is the most eloquent language used so far. C++ is also very elegant at a higher level, but not lower level. I actually never did C++, so I don't know. But yeah, I agree that Rust is kind of cool. Like it's fast, and you get to use, like, you get to code like you would in a Python-like language, but also while still thinking of the memory and things. You haven't used TypeScript? Haskell is incredibly eloquent. Yeah, I don't know. I know. I tried to learn Haskell at some point. It looks difficult. Python types are as strong as TypeScript. Yeah, Python. Like the thing with dynamic languages adding types because it's cool is dumb. Haskell is definitely the most eloquent language you can think of. Yeah, I should learn it at some point, but it seems difficult. It seems very I would guess it's difficult because it's different than C, and I'm more used to C-like languages. Yeah, but I should learn new things. How can you achieve strange bug with TypeScript, but Python? How can you achieve strange bugs with TypeScript, but Python's types are native to Python, but it's the same as TypeScript? Yeah, exactly. Python types are purely documentation. Like technically, if a library just sends a type that isn't the real type in TypeScript or in Python, you're fucked. It's like it happens. It happens a lot. You recently really enjoyed working with Gleam. To be honest, it has a simplistic and easy to read feel to it. Oh, I heard of Gleam. I don't know anything about Gleam. You've been loving Rust? Yeah, Rust is cool. TypeScript allows you to think it's safe, but during execution it can break. Yes. It's dumb. Assassins like Rust cute. Oh my god. Honestly, I hate Lua because it has no types. I see. I never used Lua outside of my new Vim configuration. I can't tell anything about this. In Python's case, the types were added more for documentation, which is reflected that they're called type hints and not types. Yeah. Yep. But I don't know. I think it's dumb. I mean, it's like, if you think about it, for documentation, it's fine. But for type checking, like if you rely on it for type checking, then you get fucked. Yeah, it's like, I don't know. I didn't do big enough Python projects with types to have this problem. But like with TypeScript, you have one thing, like your DB, that is not returning the right type for a very specific thing, and you're dead. You're dead. Everything is broken all the time. And yeah, it happens. And like, also, yeah, you always have that coworker that is using as any because they rage quit on something, so you don't have types on what they did, but you have types everywhere else, and it's just crazy. It doesn't make sense anymore. Yeah, I don't know. We should not have. I think type hints are kind of cringe. Isn't assembly machine code just like another dynamic language, just interpreter in the CPU? Yes, technically, yes, it is. It is. I don't have types here, but also I don't need types. I don't need types for this because, like, the most complex thing I can have is a structure. I mean, I could make more complex type, but I'm not gonna because it's gonna become too hard to deal with. You kind of simplify your code, I guess. The Python stuff is used for static type analysis, so you haven't used stuff like TypeGuard, but it's not perfect. You have used stuff like TypeGuard, it's not perfect. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, I know that it exists in Python, I never used it in Python. I'm always, I feel like I'm repeating myself, but like for me, Python is, also, by the way, thank you for the follow, SC Arkin YouTube. Hello, welcome. And are you the... Oh my god, we overflow the follower count. We are 256. Pog. What did I want to say? Yes, Python is bash ++. Python is bash ++, and like the way I use Python is for this kind of scripts. For example, I want to take a file and change its format to something specific. Here, I'm gonna use it this way. Bash is too dumb for everything that has like loops in it or like switch case and things. But also I don't need any dependency, and like it doesn't make sense to have it compiled. So I think in that case it makes sense to use Python. And in that case, it doesn't, like, I don't need types. Bash ++, exactly. TypeGuard adds runtime checking and types in Python. Pretty cool, but you need to do all the checks manually, which is annoying. Or you need to do all the check manually? Runtime checking. Runtime checking? Oh, okay, I think I see. It's like when you have IO things and you want to check, like you have a something that can be any type and you want to make sure that it's what the type in your type hints are. Yeah, it's pretty cool for this, but like the moments where type hints become really awful is more like in complex structures and things. Yeah. You've been using Dino and TS for more advanced bash like scripting? Sure. I mean, why not? I don't think I need types for scripts. But like, also I think TypeScript types are optional, question mark? I don't know. Python has been working on the typing stuff, it becomes so much nicer. Yeah, but my thing is like, Python dependency management is awful. I don't need types when I'm doing something very small. Usually if I don't need any dependency, it's probably because it's very small. So I don't need types for Python. TypeScript types are in fact optional. You just have to use any everywhere. It's kind of, yeah. I mean, I think the default in TypeScript is any, except if you like put something specific in your TS configs and things. But yeah, I don't know. But assembly is cool. Assembly is fun. Assembly is fun because it's unsafe. It's like we like to live on the edge here. It's kind of rewarding when we fix a bug that is restarting in a loop the Game Boy, yeah. Thanks for yeah. Okay. I finished reading the chat. Oh my, unsafe is fun. That's not what a manager wants to hear. Yeah, I mean, I would never use. I mean, would I? I don't know. Like, I would not do this kind of thing for a professional project. But also it's more fun if you can do it for a personal project. Why not? Why not? tsconfig defaults allow any. Just every static analysis tool on the planet will go. What the fuck? Why did you use any? Yeah. Python biggest issue, in my opinion, is dependency UV. It has been X days since Assassin last null pointer dereference. I mean, it's been a long while. I had other problems than null pointer dereference. I mean, no, technically when I lose my stack and it's saying, like, it's crashing because I'm jumping to 0, it's a null pointer dereference. Technically. Python biggest issue dependency UV. I don't know what UV is. It's making that better, but it's also kind of clunky in my opinion. Yeah, I don't know, like, I don't know. The last Python project with dependency I did were hell. It was hell. Oh my god. It was not fun. Which is kind of like, why do people are using it for a machine learning? UV is what you would get if someone turned cargo into... Oh, bug then. Kind of bug? Okay. Someone turned cargo into a Python package manager. It's kind of cool. Cargo is kind of good, I think. It handles Python version, dependency tools, and the whole chain, and let's go. Then it's going in the right direction. Let's go. But yeah, when we lose the stack, technically, but I think losing the stack is worse than like, it's not something that usually happens in C. It's more, I don't know. It's something that still happens in this thing. If I forgot to pop something. Everyone, exactly. Every language is valid. Every language is valid. I agree with this. Assassin writing Python web server when? Do you want me to write a Python web server? Do you know? This is technically a Python web server. Does it not work? Also, I made a Bash web server. It's working. Good night, Lane. Bye-bye. Sleep well. Also, remember that you are cute. Remember it. This is a web server. I did it. I did the web server. But I have a better way. I have a better one. This is... Wait, bin? This is a web server. It's gonna work. I did it. I made a web server. It's working. It is technically working. Okay. Have a nice I don't know, day, evening, morning, anything. AB 10110F. Quick and easy. Exactly. Actually, it's kind of a good way to like if you want to know what the browser is sending. It's useful. I actually used it. It wasn't for the browser, but like I had a curl request that wasn't like, I was surprised when looking at the curl-v, and I was right, because I don't know, there was an issue. There was a thingy in the headers. I don't remember what, but yeah, I know that I used it. I don't know for what. And the fix, I don't even remember the fix either. But there was a thing. Yeah. Assassin is always right. Only chat is wrong. Spitting facts. Wait. How is it? If you're in chat and the chat is wrong, and you're saying that you are wrong, and that I'm right. And I'm saying that you're right. What's happening? it's Onyo, we broke logic. The logic has been broken, Onyo. No more. Bye logic. Bye logic. You quoting me? You quoting me? Did I say this? No, I think I did not say this. It's not my style. I would say that chat is dumb because it's funny, but actually you're not dumb. I don't know if you know, but you're very smart. All of chat, and yeah. Chat is dumb, to be honest. My chat is not dumb. My chat is super smart. I have the smartest chat on Twitch. All of the smart people. Oh my god. It's crazy. It is crazy. Like, I feel it's not like I'm saying I have the smartest chat, but like it's not like, I think the community I'm in has a bunch of smart people that hang out in a lot of different chats. So maybe it's not only my chat, but my chat is super smart. Yeah. It's kind of cool. I kind of didn't expect to have people watch my stream at first. I was like, I'm gonna do this so that, like, I kind of expected to have like 1 or 2 people per stream at some point. It was that in the first 2 streams, and then I started to have people coming regularly. What? Like, why? And like a bunch of them understand what I'm doing, and like a lot of them also do the same thing. What? I kind of like, it's kind of amazing. I'm making friends, but I am making friends by making the most useless thing on Twitch. It's being an autistic woman on the internet, and I'm making friends with it. It's crazy. It's crazy. the tism is actually useful. What? Who would have known? Nobody. That sounds normal. Is it normal? I don't know. I kind of thought that it was a shame that what I was interested in, making friends 2024, is crazy. It is. Oh my god, it is true. It is crazy. I kind of thought that it was a shame that my interests, like the thing I actually liked, were not like I kind of felt that nobody was interested. Like some people were impressed, but no one was really interested outside of Twitch. I mean, like outside of you. Like if I talk to my IRL friends, I have like one friend that is kind of interested in this, and that's all. And like it's not to a level where they would like to do the same kind of thing. It's more like they like to also make games. It's cool. It's cool. But like most of my friends are more like, oh, it's very cool, but why? And I'm like, because I like it. With Twitch, your audience will eventually find you. Exactly. It's kind of crazy. It's wild. It's wild. There are people interested in the same thing as me. What? It's I didn't expect this. Yeah. I don't know. It's kind of it's good service. Like it's I don't like ads and I don't like things that Twitter is doing, but also it's kind of cool that it's working in the recommendation things. Yeah. And also, like, it's not only people came to my stream. When I started streaming, I started to get recommended like other people were doing similar things. It's cool. I make friends. What? Okay. You found me through the recommended channel on Twitch? Exactly. It means something. Like the recommendation system is kind of good. I also found Al and Witch through the recommendation system, I think. And then Luna, for example, I know you from Witch and Al. Yeah. I think you found so many hacking cool and cute people through other people. Yeah, true. You found me from the game dev tab? Yeah, I also... Okay, I'm gonna share my secret. I found that I had a very good conversion rate on the like I have a more than 2% rates between clicks and impressions on the browser tab, and I think it's kind of good. And I noticed, I think it was you when Sigil, you said you're on the front page of the browse thing. I actually never opened the thing at that point, and like I opened it, and like every single dev stream is like this. It doesn't work. Okay, it's like every single dev stream is like in a dark background, and a slightly lighter head on the dark background, and like mine is green, like super light. So you open the browser page, and you see me. It's kind of cool. It makes sense. It makes sense. The colors The colors are actually important. Can Assassin help me make a color stream overlay? I mean, I think you have to. You kind of have to do it the way you want it to be. But if you want a tip, do not make an overlay that stands out. It's kind of it works. I think it works. Yeah. I did it accidentally, but now I've noticed that it's kind of cool. Actually, like, I did it accidentally. I kind of, when I started, I did not. I'm not saying okay. When I started, I took a huge inspiration from Asahi Lina, who is the GPU driver developer from the Asahi Linux project, which is bringing Linux to ARM Max. You have no idea what it means, but you'll try. Well, you know, she stays in JP as well. Yeah. But like, I don't know her, but I watched a lot of her streams. Yeah, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool, and you can. I think you can feel the inspiration with the. I mean, not now, but like my first overlay was the pink, and the music is cute and repetitive, and also hello Rob. Also, when Rob was making the music, I actually sent him the Asahi Lina music for like vibe inspiration, even though I didn't want to like have exactly the same, of course, and like not the same vibe either. I think it's like calmer, I guess. Yeah, but like I took a lot of inspiration from Asahi Lina because I didn't know any other dev VTuber, and I knew that I wanted like to do a dev VTuber thing. And yeah, she has a pink overlay. So at first I went with a pink overlay, and at some point I was like, wait, I'm doing a thing with the Game Boy. I could make my overlay Game Boy themed, and that's how I made this overlay. Yeah, and it's kind of cool. Hello Rob, hello. How you doing? How is life? How is life? How is I don't know. It's yeah. How is life is very cold. Your heater oh no. Is it starting to be really cold in France? I would expect, yeah. I mean, here it's kind of already. It's kind of getting cold a little bit. But I would expect that yeah. Oh my god, 9 degrees. Yeah. Rip, very rip. Like my family already told me that we were still not out of the incredibly hot summer here. That my family told me like, yeah, it's falling to 14 degrees, and I'm like, I want 14 degrees too. But now it's kind of falling to around 14 degrees at night, I think. Well, yeah, something like this. I'm not sure, but and I'm cold now. I am cold. Yeah. But yeah, it's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. Also, it's 4 degrees Celsius here. Oh my god. 4 degrees. It's kinda cool. Snow is melting away. What? Already? Already? Are you really up north? I think I wanted to say something more about overlay things and themes. In New Zealand, it's absolutely roasting. Yeah, I heard that Australia was really hot all the time. I would imagine New Zealand is kind of the same. I don't know. It's kind of rip. It's kind of rip. Southern Finland? Oh, I see. Not above the Arctic Circle, but fairly north. I love how it's your it's like the Arctic Circle is very, very up north for most people, I would guess. I love how it's yeah. Australia is always hot. Yeah, it looks like it. It's kind of rip. That's a whole other continent. It's not that far away. Like, is it? Isn't it like between? Maybe I'm wrong. Like, isn't it like between the distance between like Tokyo and Korea? Like Seoul? Am I wrong? Or is it like the climate? Is it not too far away, but still the climate is very different? I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know anything about New Zealand. I know there's kiwi there. And they're cute. Yeah, that's all I know. It's a 4-hour flight. Oh my god, 4 hours. 4 hours. It's kind of far. What? Okay. So it's really like New Zealand is really in the middle of nowhere. Oh my god. Kind of crazy. It's crazy. But it's cool. In this chat, we have people from Finland and New Zealand. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. International. Would be cool to visit New Zealand, but the flight from Finland to New Zealand didn't stay. I would think so. Yeah. It's like it's basically the other side of the world. I think like maybe if you're I think I saw at some point that Portugal was exactly at the other side of the world as New Zealand. So like yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to do. Brain is kind of fried, but also I should make progress, I think. I didn't do that much. I technically fixed a bug. You did your first successful prod deployment at work. It took 3 days instead of 2 hours, but it's done. Oh no. Oh my god, 3 days. 3 days, oh my god. How broken is the code base? Are you Okay, I see. Rip, kind of rip. Rip, but cool. It's cool that it's done. Congratulations. I'm gonna reset my model because I'm tall for some reason. Hello, the Tommy's here. The Tommy. I am back. We do prefer fried chicken instead of fried brain. Yeah, but fried brain is happening still. I don't know. Almost nothing in the code base. 95% of DevOps access issues. Oh, I see. It got done and that was matter. Yeah. I never worked in difficult things to deploy because I never worked in big companies. And so like I don't know. But it kind of seems rip. Like most of the projects I worked on, we did just made like a thing to have either a branch, a Git branch where with a automatic deployment, or like just a button to push to deploy what wasn't Git. But also it wasn't like no big things with a QA testing and things. It was always okay, it's on the dev branch and it's working. Now we push. Push to prod. Yeah. All I know about Finland is that it's one of the Nordic countries, and that's it. Yeah, Finland is actually a really interesting Nordic country, I think, because they have a language that is an isolate. The Finnish is not related to any other language in Europe, I think, and it's kind of cool. But like I passed in the Helsinki airport once. that's my experience with Finland. It's a good airport. You have the magic button technically set up, but as we're getting some quality certification to get more client, we have to put in place some complicated. Yeah, it's because of QA, right? Or am I wrong? No, QA. Quality test. I don't know if it's QA. Yeah. Quality test. Kind of a mess, but a brighter future for the company. Yeah. Estonia is pretty close to Finnish. Oh, I didn't know that. Estonian. Does it is it? Am I wrong in saying that it's not Indo-European language? I think I heard somewhere that there were 3 non-Indo-European languages in Europe, and it was Finnish, Hungarian, and Basque. But I'm not sure if I'm right on this. It's a mix of testing, quality control, and security. Yeah. You went 2 weeks in Helsinki. It was cool, but you spent the whole weeks in the hotel and the uni. Yeah. Yeah, kinda. Yeah, I don't know. I like to go. I like to visit actually Finland at some point in the summer, of course, because I would be depressed. I would be depressed in the winter. It's I don't know. I went to Hungary in the winter at some point, and I was kind of depressed. And it's not that up north, but it was kind of dark. It was very dark. Yeah. I don't know. Also Hungary is yeah. Yeah, too many French people in Hungary. The darkness in the winter is so depressing. Yeah, I would assume so. Like even in France, it gets, to me, it gets kind of dark in the winter. I would not imagine like it's you don't get any sun. You get a minute of sun in Finland. I don't know. It's what the, like, you go to work and it's dark, and when you leave work it's dark. Yeah, it's kind of rip. Especially after the time zone change, 4 p.m. and it starts getting dark, depressing. Yeah. I mean, I don't know if it's a time thing. In Japan, it gets dark pretty early too, but because like France is technically, like, I don't know if you knew, Rob, but France is technically 2 hours not in sync with the solar time zone. So like if you go to a country that is synced, you feel like it's really early when it gets dark. But also, like, when it's not dark, it's very bright, then you don't have the kind of winter depression. I don't know. The sun doesn't rise at all. When you have Svalbard, where it's literally darkness for 3 months straight, yeah. Arctic Circle. Building a new page for your blog. Pog. Very pog. What, are you writing an article? We completely shifted in France. Or lazy to wake up early. I mean, doesn't... kind of true then. But like... I think it's... I don't know. Like... I hear that some people, like, when we will eventually get out of dumb DST, I hear that some people want to keep the summer time zone, but like it literally means that at 2 p.m. like we would have the midday at 2 p.m. It doesn't make sense. Why? Get null requests. You can see the changes. Astatin, oh. What the? What the? Oh my god. Wow. Where is this blog? Fox post. Is it Rust? Is it in Rust? Yes, in Rust. Buggies. Where is it? Workflow. I can look at the workflow. Release packaging. Oh my god, we can see the build system. See all of the build system. Did you forget an API key? So Fox post. I would imagine that it's on Fox post here. Am I wrong? Blog? I'm wrong. Oh, it's here. So this? It doesn't exist. Check for API keys. Exactly. Hackstatin. Not. Yeah, raising in the Git commits. Yeah, we get to high level raising. Still building? Okay. docs post. Debugging a crashed kernel on open sushi. Yeah. Envisioning a future Python. Bash++. Server updates. Huh. I'm stalking you. You are. I am putting you under the spotlight right now. I look back at the web server. Oh my god. Blogging backend. Oh, this is this backend. In Rust and NixOS on the running install of Arch Linux. Kind of smart. Very smart. Why you should use NeoVim? True, indeed. NeoVim is a fork of Vim that is just better than Vim. It is. It's cringe. What is cringe? Me looking at your blog? I'm doing it like I'm doing it publicity. It's for you. Oh, the blog content? It's fine. I am literally being a dumb on the internet. I think the cringe is accepted here. I think the cringe is accepted. It's part of the culture. Let's go. But it's kind of cool. Debugging crashed kernel on OpenSUSE. Kind of scary bug. All of the scary bugs with the assembly, not assembly, but like CPU core dump. Kind of scary. Never forget that Assassin will always take the opportunity to warn you. So you don't want your article read now. But also I'm kind of like holding to anything because my brain is like my brains want the stimulation right now. Yeah. Assassin, you should write a blog for your assembly Game Boy game. But what would I write though? Because it's. Do I have something to write about this? Like technically, I have the domain name assassin.live, which I didn't do anything with except an email address. But like I could. But technical blog posts. What do I write though? Because like I don't have that many interesting things to write. I think if she does, it'd have a live stream just reading her blog and going like she's so smart. Oh my god! Wow! How? Do you guys actually read blogs? You barely stumble upon them? Sometimes, yeah. Yeah, it happens. But like, usually not technical blogs. Oh, Risks V-Chan! Oh my god, we have the personification of Risk 5. The instruction set in the chat as an anime girl. Oh my god, so cool. You write them more for fun, yeah. Like wait, I'm gonna be PNG Statin. I'm just looking for blogs to recommend. Yeah. What blog did I have? No. I have. Does it say Does it say something about my tism that I have less wrong articles in my in my start RSS feed? Does it say something? Maybe. Yeah, this one is funny. Wait. I'm gonna be back. Backstatin. Now. I'm back. Taylor Town, not Town. Not Taylor Town. Taylor dot town. This one is kind of cool. I could make it redirect to my Twitch channel. That's true. This one is kind of cool. It's kind of funny. You do read them as well. As for writing for outside world, I only have fiction, but I do write a lot of tech blog style for yourself to remember something for later. A lot that could maybe become actual post, but I actually I have a blog, technically. I have a blog which is very hyper like when I'm basically only writing it when I'm in hyper intellectual mode. I don't know how to explain it, but like when my brain goes like no, I'm not gonna share my blog because it's gonna dox me. But it's like it's I don't know, when after I get kind of depressed, I switch to a mode where I'm like I become emotionless. And at these moments, it happened that I write articles about things that I'm angry about or something. And it's like, I don't know, it's kind of dumb. I should check out Oshinoko Netlify app. Should I? Because I could see the fun is in in writing blogs and going back to it later like a diary, but reading others doesn't feel like it. You associate reading with efficiency though. Barely read for fun except when there's picture. Oh, I see. I mean, it's very cool. I can see. But yeah, reading for efficiency. Yeah, basically, like it's should I don't know. Like I think it's fine if you post links in the chat, but like if your thing is a Netlify app, what are the chances that you are actually trying to get my IP? Like I think you can get pretty easily my general locations because I said that I was in Japan. But like it's I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. If you ever feel like taking a look at your game unpopulated overworld, you put something at your edge panel in Discord. Yes, I have. Do I have? I think I have a showcase. Yeah, there is a showcase channel, on which I encourage everyone to send their links. Their links to the things they're working on. It's kind of cool. But yeah. Yeah, Rob is doing the protection. It's like food taster. Checking if there's poison in it. Let's go. Og. You sealing press link on your. You did check first? Yeah. Thank you, chat. Thank you for checking. But also you should not just click at links that people send. It's kind of like, what if there's a thing in your browser that is how do you say? There's a security flaw in your browser and you don't know it and you did an update and like people are using this. It happens sometimes. You should not. Only click on links from people you trust. That is a thing. I mean, I'm saying that, but I'm sure I'm clicking on a bunch of links that I found on Reddit or something. But yeah, don't take candy from strangers. Exactly. I don't know. Why did I open GitHub? I don't know. You can disable links in the settings, but I don't want to because like sometimes my chat is sending useful links. Sometimes useful links. I don't know. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. We can just be like. Do you want me to disable the links? Assetsin just clicked a bunch of links on my blog. Yeah, I did. But like I kind of trust that you wouldn't try to get my IP or something. I don't think first I don't think you need it, and also like I don't know. She saw, she clicked and she flashed the author. Yeah. True. But that would mean I would need to. Many links could be shared with some Google search terms. It's true, technically IP address sounds in dynamics, but like, yeah, like it's true, and also, but also you can get the general location. Like I don't think you could harm anyone with an IP address except if you try to DOS. But again, IP addresses are dynamic and you can change them by like restarting your router. It's fine. But yeah, we've got a way of trying. There wasn't a track. There wasn't a track in the first place. But like also like security flaws happen. And yeah, I don't know. Trying to make a Twitch bot that checks the shared links and validate if it's safe or not. Like I could. But like another thing is like technically no, I think I'm fine with people sending links and like just me being it's fine, it's not fine, it's cool. It's cool. Like it was just a rickroll in that case. We don't care that much. We don't care that much, and I didn't click on it. I didn't even click on it. I think it's fine. I think it's fine because like another thing would be to disallow links and give VIP to a bunch of people. But what if my VIP count is less than the number of people? My allowed VIP count is less than the number of people I want to give a link sharing ability to. I don't know. You're about 4 stream late? Oh yeah, because Sigil joined 4 streams ago. Yeah. But Rob was ghosting me. Okay, I'm joking. I'm joking. Not a new viewer exactly. They know. I'm being annoying. Yeah, it's me, annoying Stettin. What is happening with my model's eyes? What the? You were here from the beginning? Actually, there's people that still come that are from the very, very beginning. I think that two older that I saw multiple times are Romes and Gemini, the Gemini. Like, they were here in the very, very, very beginning. Yeah. Even before the VOD started to be there. It's kind of crazy. But yeah. Rob is here from pretty early though. Rob is kind of very, very early viewer. But did you know about the pink overlay, Rob? Second or third dev stream? I don't... maybe a bit more. Did you see the pink overlay? Were you here for the pink overlay? You didn't see the pink, so it was more like... I think I switched on the 5th or 6th, maybe? Yeah. I switched to this one. Which is kind of cool. I like my overlay. It's kind of hard to read. The to-do is kind of hard to read because of contrast, but it's kind of cool still. Yeah. Any programming? I could, but check the VOD, we were here in day 6, yes. It might be this, yeah. Yeah. First day of the green theme, exactly. It's enough yapping for you? You actually need to get some work today before lunch? Yeah. Get the work done. Get the bytes in the disk. Yeah. Put all the bytes in the disk. Yeah. All of them. All of the bytes. It's like changing the bytes in the disk of your computer until it says that it works. It's how it works. It's how you program. Bytes into the disk, exactly. That's yes. Why is it Yabai? Why is it Yabai? It's not Yabai. No. Rotten brain. Bad Rob. But like technically, the goal of programming is you want your computer to do something, and you change the bytes into the computer from the computer. Yeah. And until it does the thing that you want to do. Yeah. it's programming. It's how it works. I am just saying the truth. The truth needs to be said. Yeah. I don't know. Should I program? Because yes, we could make progress, or not. There's an XKCD post? Which one? Let's go. I want to be distracted more. Distraction, not XKCD. .com/ Which one? This one is a fun one, by the way. Random number. That's how it works. That's the random number. Yep. Actually, we have a random number like this in RNG. Is it not here? Yes, it's here. This has been chosen randomly. Actually, no. But yeah. Planetary Yashes. Hello. Welcome. Welcome to the stream. Yeah. Because, wait, what did we do today? I didn't even commit anything, but I did some things. I fixed an issue where I was modifying VRAM outside of VBlank, and I added a mode that stopped the game. Help, there is no Discord bots. So I can. There's no Discord bot. I think no. We don't. You don't need to help. But or are you saying help for something else? I don't know. But project link. Oh yeah. You can see it in the about section under the stream. If you're on mobile, I don't know, but it's on my GitHub. My handle is AssetInChan. You can find it. Yeah. And you can find the assembler and the emulator too. And I had this, which was supposed to be a Discord bot, which is using Owl's library, but I didn't start it. Yeah. I did not start it for like a month. I should make it simpler for me to start all of the things that I need for the stream. Should make some scripts because it's kind of taking a long time, and sometimes I have like today I had audio issues at the beginning and I had to restart and all. It was kind of a pain. It was kind of a pain. Rust code, exactly, there is Rust code. The thing here, it's saying Python because it doesn't recognize the assembler code, and I have some scripts in Python, but attend this on your it's not Owl's bot, it's like using Owl's library. I have some script in Python for this, but this is the assembly thing, Bunnyline Game Boy. The emulator is an emulator. The emulator is an emulator, indeed. Git commits. Fix out of VBlank VRAM update plus add pause actions flag or toggle on open dialog. Have I tried Zig? I made a kernel in Zig, so I guess yes. I find I find a compiler bug in Zig. I think I could say yes, but also like I'm saying yes, but I didn't try most. Like my types were kind of dumb. It's not like I didn't do. Like the complex thing about my project was not something that has to do with Zig, so I don't know. It's kind of like the emulator. I don't know if it's like it's technically a Rust project, but also it's. I mean, lately the thing I added with for the serial communication is using some Rust cool features, but outside of this, yeah, outside of this, not really. Yeah, some OS dev. It was cool. I never finished it. It's technically, it can technically fork a process. I did all the thing to do with virtual memory, but I never finished the scheduler, so it can just go back and forth between two processes, and the most of the system calls are blocking. so it's not finished, but I don't know. I got distracted, and it's like it's not encoder. Oh no, it's okay. It's not that important for me to finish it, so I don't know. I don't care. The bunny game is more important. But it's kind of cool. You learn a lot about how a computer works. Virtual memory, yes. Like the thing, I don't know if you come from embedded development, it might be easier. But like for me, I never did any low-level / embedded development, so I kind of had to like I had to learn to read the ARM documentation. It wasn't fun. It wasn't fun. I had yeah. I don't know. But yeah, I've ended up kind of understanding what was said, but at the beginning I was like, how is this documentation? Which version of ARM? I wanted to make it for the Raspberry Pi 2, I think. Like I made it for QEMU because I don't have a Raspberry Pi, but my target was the Raspberry Pi 2, so it was ARM V7, I think, V7A. Yeah. It's 32 bits ARM. It's kind of cool. It's fun. I learn things. Yeah. I'm tired now. Epiacetin. But also I don't want to end stream because it's fun. I'm not having fun. But also I don't know what to do on stream. 32-bit is... One is... I was targeting RISC-V, ARM V8, and... For a single kernel? It's kind of crazy, wow. Oh. Because like, I would assume, maybe I'm wrong, but I would assume that also like even if you can do like the few assembly code that you actually need, even if you can say that yeah I'm doing this for RISC-V, I'm doing this for ARM, and I'm doing this for x86, like all of the like it depends on the machine you're using for the IO ports, right? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. But like I would assume that, for example, if you want to use serial communication or even write to the screen, it would not work the same depending on your target, which is usually different from ARM to x86, right? Question mark? I don't know. I really don't know. I'm dumb. I am the dumb. Green tea. You created like a hardware abstraction layer like VM? Ooh, it's very smart. But it sounds like a lot of work. My goal was kind of just to learn how... In that sense, I think even though I didn't finish the kernel, it did its job, because my goal was to understand how a kernel worked, and now I know. now I'm aware of context switching and things, and virtual memory, and like I kind of understand why it's like I actually like at some point I did some optimization things. It was for the emulator, but like it's not optimization, but I had a timing problem. What's the difference between an OS and the kernel? I don't know. I know that the kernel is managing virtual memory and multiple processes, and in my head OS was the same thing, but maybe more thing on top of that, but maybe not. I'm kinda dumb. I don't really know. I wanted to say something. I lost my thoughts. Oh no, it's been lost. Bye bye. Bye bye thoughts. Bye bye. Depending on your definition, generally OS is kernel plus user space program. Yeah, I would assume that, for example, systemd on Linux is part of the OS, but it's not part of the kernel. I don't know. But it's kind of not very clear in my mind. But also you have some function that you need to write for the kernel that also are executed in user space, like the libraries, which is usually just system calls, but it's technically like a system calls definitions. I don't know, but it's technically the kernel, maybe not. Maybe I'm dumb. No, maybe it's not. Okay. I don't know. I do not know. Look at this Astatin. She's laughing. She's laughing at you. Do you feel offended? Oh, I did something new. Look at this. If you go on the YouTube channel, Astatin VT, and I think it's the same on Twitch, but on the YouTube channel it looks better. You get a banner. Look at the banner. Look at the cute. It's kind of cool. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why I did that, but I did that. Yeah. Okay. Should you learn Rust? I mean, do you want to learn Rust? I think Rust is a cool language. Yeah, thank you for the link. Thank you for the link. It's true, I didn't send the link. I think Rust is a cool language. But like, should you learn Rust? Seems like an absolute statement. Like, should you eat? If you want to, if you want to get the energy, you should eat. But in general, it depends on the context. Should you say the word bottle, not okay, bottle, a bottle of water? Should you eat people? Exactly, like it depends on the context. If you're in a plane crash, if you're and like you don't have anything else to eat, the answer could be yes, but like it depends on the context. Why do you want to learn Rust? That is the question. Should you bully your regular viewers? but it's funny. Just find a little hard for C in my mind. For my C mine? Oh. But like, if you don't need it, you don't need, you can continue in C, but like, if you like the feature of having memory safety and yeah, memory safety. Basically, it's just memory safety. If you like the feature of having memory safety, but still having the C-like performance and cool abstraction with cool performance too, I think it's a good thing to learn. And also, I believe my C. I believe I started to code different in C when I started to learn Rust too. Because like the way you want to keep your pointers, like in C you kind of have the habit of keeping your pointers everywhere, references to things kind of everywhere. At least I did. Like I don't know about you, but I did, and like it makes it very hard to know for complex structures. It makes it kind of hard to know when to free some things, and like Rust kind of forces you in a very specific way of managing your references and your pointers. So it's like, it's hard to learn at first, but also it makes you, like it clarifies it for me. But also like if you're very experienced with C, you might not need it. I don't know. But like if you, I think Rust is a cool language. I think like if you're interested in it, you should definitely learn it. And I would agree that the first, like I took 3 attempts before actually getting to learn Rust for the borrow checker, because like at the beginning it was way too hard for me. But I don't know, it's satisfying to code in. It's cool. Hello Snare Chops. Hello. How you doing? Pop, indeed. Poppy popping. Yeah. I don't know. Boom, 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 boom. But yeah, karaoke stream again. Oh my god, it's true, it is. It is a karaoke stream. I am singing. It's crazy. It's crazy. Bum 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 bum. Instead, I'm singing instead of coding. That's what's happening. But I'm distracted today. I think I didn't sleep that much like tonight. So like focusing is very difficult. And yeah, I should sleep more. But it's not like focusing is difficult, but it's not to a level that I'm actually tired. I don't know. It's a background. This is my background. This is my wallpaper. Assembly code. So like people come to the stream and they think, it's assembly code, and then I'm yapping for 3 hours. That's how it works. I should make some progress. But I think my to-do list is too vague. It's not helping me. Fix the dialogue text on Gameboy is done. Add a menu for more attacks. Should use syntax highlighting? But I don't have syntax highlighting for this language since it's my own assembly language. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure I could configure it, but also I don't need it, so I don't know. Aesthetic the just chatting streamer with an ASM theme background. Exactly, it is true. So the steps for the menu, we already did the thing that is stopping the like changing mode. What we can do now would be to add a cursor and choose between multiple things. Rob does all the coding, exactly. Just regular assembly works, maybe? Probably. Rob does all the coding? Rob, are you doing all the coding? Is all the coding done here? By Rob? Oh my god. Menu. So, yeah, cursor. We could add a cursor. Like, cursor movement. Menu. Add menu. Toggleable. It's not toggle. It would be like menu cursor mode. You do the moral coding? It's like moral support for nerds. Yep, it's true. It is true. Rob is doing the moral coding. All of chat is doing moral support. We are but rubber duckies with voices. Exactly, it's true. It is true. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. So for the mode, for the menu mode, maybe it's not like dungeon. Yeah, dungeon menu mode, it makes sense. For the menu mode, we would need to define a place in memory with all of the hearts. We would need to find a place in memory where we can save the current cursor position, which is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think we can. We could technically put 6. We could put up to 6 choices. But is it useful? Nah. Now we're gonna do 4. We're gonna do 4 because it's also more. It's also simpler to put a limit. Not put it. Yeah, like if I want to draw two choices for one choice. One choice is very easy. There's just one line and the cursor cannot move. Two choices is two on the same first line. I think would look good. 3 would add one on the third line, and 4 would add another one on the third line. So you just add different things. Yeah. Right. Oh my god. Just adding more places where text and the cursor can go. But like if we want to add 6, then the second line needs to go, the thing that were on the third line needs to go on the second line, and adding more. How do you parse your assembly? With this. It's on my GitHub too. It is the GitHub that Rob sent before. It is Gameboy ASM. I made a program in Golang that is doing the things. It's working. I have things in example. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a Zoom. Rob parses manual in real time. Exactly. Oh my god, Rob is resending it. Oh my god. Let's go. ASM is assembly. Like which parser algorithm? What do you mean? A parser algorithm? I can just get a line and split it with the arguments, and yeah. Like I don't need an AST. I don't need regex. I think I'm using regex, but like mostly for checking that like for example labels don't have any unallowed characters in them or something. But like mostly you just need to get a line. For example, this line. Look at this. This line, LDC01. You get it. You split where there's spaces or commas, and you get the first one, and it's the opcode. The second one is the first parameter, and the third one is the second parameter. It works. It's very simple. And like if you want to add labels, you just split at the first column before. Error reporting is hard, isn't it? No, it's not. Why would it be? I mean, I cannot say precisely what is the error, maybe, but also I can say, I can say what is the error. No, it's not a problem. Yeah. I'm just saying like it's happening on this line, and I was expecting this, but it didn't work. It worked. I cannot like give advices on Rust, like Rust or C-Lang do, but apart from that, it's working. Like I think you're thinking about more complex programming language where there's like functions and stuff, but this is not the case. I can just like get a line and translate it, and that's all. Like the hardest thing is with labels, getting the addresses of labels are kind of a pain, because I have to do 2 passes on the program. Yeah. You're back. Welcome back. to the stream. The Astatin stream. I tried to open a file to make some progress and I didn't. I actually wrote define mem and now I don't know what I wanted. Oh, I wanted to define cursor position. Menu cursor position. You glad Astatin is still streaming? Kinda just need to listen to a ramble a bit. Let's go, let's go. Yeah. But I think, I don't know. I'm not in very... Like, I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of progress until the end of the stream. You don't have to live in 10-15 minutes. The heater fixing guy is coming at the time. Okay, okay, I see. I see. So like it's possible that it's not. I'm gonna stop not very long, but I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I'm gonna do a cursor. I could add it in the font. No, I'm not gonna add it in the font. I'm gonna add it with hearts. Doesn't really make sense. Bad cursor or no? I mean, this one works, I guess. Or just this. Yeah. Maybe double it in size. Yeah, what is happening with my mouse? I don't know. It's annoying. Like this, maybe? You're here to listen to a cute girl talk about things she likes. That's the best of the stream. Let's go. Let's go. Pog. Very pog. I agree. I agree with you. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. I mean, I don't agree that I'm cute, but fishing for compliments. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, annoying. Annoying Statin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about that. I think no, but yeah. It is technically a cursor. It would work. Would it? Wait, you know what? We are going to open back the design goal and put the cursor on it. It kinda works. Yeah. The person on the inside is more important than how we look in the outside. True. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. What do we think? Is it a valid one? Is it valid? If you had to choose between Annie and Elo. I think it's valid. I don't know. Maybe it's dumb. Maybe it's dumb. No, I think it's like a good cursor. I think I can go with this. Okay. Poggies. Poggies. You get the rub. Oh, let's go. I got the seal of approval. Kind of pog. Very pog. Sprites. Background. I mean, it should be in the GUI. But it's gonna be like heart. And also heart should be in the GUI. Cursor. Heart is in background, but it really shouldn't be. Okay. So sprites background heart is going to GUI, and then scripts generate tile data hearts. Heart is just after. Yeah. Yeah. Dum dum dum. Bum bum bum. Bum bum bum. Cursor. Kick. 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 What do you mean kick? What do you mean kick? Swan warming your cold heart. Yeah. Yeah. I try to think. Is it synchronized more? I think I did things, and it should be okay. Okay, synchronized. Yeah, maybe not perfect. Dum dum. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, poggies. Poggies. I see. I see. Problem. Oh, I see. Yeah. It's not in BG, it's in GUI. GUI. All of the GUI. Dum 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 dum. But like the music is working really well. I think, I don't know, I think when I introduced the music, the mood changed. I don't know, I want to stay on stream more. You really want an FPS that plays with gravity and how it affects gameplay. Be really interesting to see how the player deal with things being slower and faster based on the level. Oh, I cannot imagine this, but it looks good. Hello, Hardolden. Hello. Dense indeed. Dense indeed. Oh, did it go weird? Did it went with the weird things? Bum ba 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 bum bum ba bum ba bum. It's always the same background music too? It is. Oh, what is this? What is this? Why does it roll back? You drive to work probably. Have a nice I don't know, work thing. Yeah, Metallica win. Yeah, I don't know. I like this music. It's kind of cool. I like that. Also, I don't know. The fact that it's looping and always the same, and also I kind of like this music and it's cute, and like it makes me in a mood where I'm more ascetic. Yeah. I don't know. I like this music. It's cool. It's cool. Boom, 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 beep, boom. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. No. There is an issue made. Boom, boom. Bum, bum, bum. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. It feels well. Yeah, I agree. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cute, and that's all. Yeah. I like it. I'm not saying that I'm cute, by the way, but yeah. Dum 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 bim bim beep beep beep. Am I from Japan? I am not, but I live in Japan. Am I being stalked? Or did I say something about Japan recently? Please do not stalk me. What is my game about? It's... The goal is to... make a mystery dungeon. Now you see... Oh, okay, yeah. My schedule is JSC. The goal is to make a mystery dungeon-like game. Yeah. It's like... I don't think I'm gonna do exactly... Like, I'm gonna go kind of far from mystery dungeon at some point, but like the basis will be mystery dungeon. Also, my controller is not working anymore for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, now it's working. Maybe... But like if I do this, then entity action... Like imagine you're in a station in Jupiter high atmosphere. Everything is slower because it's gravity heavier. Like Pokemon Mystery Dungeon, exactly. There's gravity heavier. You're also more mobility limited since you need a suit and you don't get turned into sludge. However, because this short recoil effect, you less. You can move faster, do more interesting movement based on the low gravity. However, you get to keep yourself from overeating and recoil hit you harder. Yeah, that would be cool. That would be cool. Indeed. It is true. You could fly on Mercury. And not on Jupiter. Like you put your gun down and push, and now you fly. It's how it works. You get a gun jetpack. Yeah. Like basically I need to okay, I need to do the thing I said earlier about having a requested dungeon mode and an actual dungeon mode. I don't know. Or is it because of this? No, it's fine. Okay, display NCC, prepare scrolling map, animation step. You should be fine. Kinda, yeah. Good night, Wallace. Wallace Lovecraft. Good night, bye bye. Have the sleepies, the good sleepies. Yes, so requested dungeon mode. Requested mode. And action. Boom bum bum bum. Boom bum bum bum. Boom bum bum bum. Requested mode. And updates animation table. And OF, like compared to 0, if it's not 0 then animation step end, and if it is 0 it does this, and it also get the requested mode requested mode into a actual current mode. Does it make sense? I think it does. Bum ba da ba da bum bum. Bum ba da ba da bum bum bum. Yeah, it makes sense. It does make sense. It works. Oh my god. But now, can I cheat with it and move on the first frame of the requested mode? Apparently not. Apparently not, but I should. Wait, I'm gonna try it a few more times. Yeah, I don't think I can. So it's good. It's good that I can't. Yeah, I think it's okay. So should I end stream? I think I'm too tired. I'm gonna commit. But I am open to yap if you want to yap about something. I don't have any more subject in my head. But if not, I think I'm gonna end because I'm too dead for the I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about that. I think you're mistaken. I think, yeah. You're talking about another assassin, not me. Not me. Bye-bye. Indeed, bye-bye. Maybe. Everything baffled if I was girl. I don't know. General title. So, fix rollback on mode change. Thank you for the pets. Thank you for the pets. It is welcome. Very welcome. Okay. Is there someone I can raid? There is? Oh. But I would assume that most of you don't want to... Oz? Is Oz online? I don't think she's online now. I don't see her online. Is Twitch lying? Okay, yeah. Okay, I see. Like, there's Crease. I could raid Crease, but also they're not doing software dev, and I would assume that people here want to see software dev. Eternal? Eternal. I don't know them, but maybe. Yeah, I don't. Eternal. I could. Yeah, it's. But kind of a lot of viewers already. I could wait. I'm in a team. I didn't raid in a team for a long time. I should. I'm gonna raid indie game dev. But they have like 200 viewers already, which is a lot for the category. There's Clayman in my team. Oh my god, I can raid Clayman. Yeah. Or how many? Okay, I'm raiding Clayman. Let's go. Let's go. Re-raiding. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Have a nice day, everyone. It was cool. I had fun this stream. It was fun. We didn't make a lot of progress, but it was super fun. Bye bye. Thank you for coming. I'm raiding right now.
Oh, this is just him taking damage. Astain-chan, welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. How was the stream? What were you guys up to? Hopefully you had a fantastic stream there. We are working on a Souls-like roguelite called Epic Hero Game, where you play as a superhero and it's your job to save the world from total destruction.